Guys, someone got a new car. Look who it is. Someone said it. It's behind me. We can see it for sure. Oh my god, bro. Damn. I saw it in pictures, but never in person. Congrats, G. Dame is the one that got the M2, guys. Yeah, a lot of people guessed it. They thought it was you too. But I know you got this. First off, it's Twilight Purple, super rare color. M2, 1,000 miles, is brand new. Look at the seats. No way you got the buckets. Fine. I don't even got the buckets. I already offered him money, but he won't do it. Please, bro. I'll give you 10. Oh. There's no way you got it. This was gonna break the bucket seat.
Bro, shit. Bro, get much in there, bro. It smells new.
It is new. David, there's no way you got this, bro. Like, there's actually no way.
I can't wait to see what people say.
Oh my god, look at the steering wheel. This shit's fire, David. I'm jealous.
Bro, this shit is sick, bro.
Congrats,
Can you fit?
No. My ass is like squished.
But you're too tall, bro.
I got no space right here.
So you can't even get the buckets.
You were smashing, huh?
Not even. Not really.
You smell the brakes?
I smell the brakes, bro.
But the steering wheel, it already came with this, huh?
Yeah, it came with it.
This is the same steering wheel I have, but yours is OEM, brother.
Oh, this shit is sick, bro. You guys, I've never owned like a new car. All my other cars were kind of used. And this is, I mean, it's used, but only has 1,000 miles, you know?
Oh, it's brand new.
2025, 1,000 miles.
Salvage? It's fully loaded, huh? The purple too is like crazy. I don't think I've seen this.
It's super rare, right? The color?
Probably, yeah. And you're probably gonna paint
Yeah,
crack
bro.
it.
She's gonna look brand new. She's gonna look way better than what it is right now.
Bro,
Low-key, the paint's like,
David,
I feel like
I
it's
know
doing
a guy if you need a paint corrector.
ASAP, go.
I know. Good thing David literally details so he can just paint correct his own car and ceramic coat everything. I can't believe you got buckets, bro. That's not fair, dude. You won't sell it to me.
No.
Come
That's
on.
like the main reason. Honestly, you guys, I was gonna get a black one. But then Chris kind of convinced me, he was like, bro, just get a and it was stick shit. He told me just get the auto and get an individual color. So
Yeah. It's a 6-spec and it's probably gonna hold value if you ever sell it one day. I mean, bro, people love the
It'll
buckets.
be a beer invasion. Hopefully, it'll be done like a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Live fast ASAP.
I know, we're gonna have a booth at Beamer Invasion, and I told David, you gotta hurry up and mod it so we can put it at the booth. His M2 and my G80.
You guys tell him to sponsor, please. You guys look me for details ASAP, because this shit's expensive.
When the first payment hits or what?
Yes, bro, ASAP.
This is your highest payment you ever had, huh?
Yes, bro.
You scared?
My last one was pretty. Yeah, kind of, I mean.
It's alright. You gotta take risks.
Not that, what, the repo.
It's
Trying to really hit me.
not gonna hit you.
And I can't really, like, I don't know.
It's too nice, bro. I feel like it's too nice for David.
I'm gonna drift the out of it.
No, bro, don't drift it.
Come on.
You're gonna crash it.
One time.
What if you sand PPF it?
That was still weird.
I think it'll be kind of cool. I don't know, that might look weird. Huh? Alright guys, Monterey Car Week 2026 has started right now. We got the R8 freshly wrapped and we're about to take a almost 5-hour road trip all the way to Monterey. So from LA to Monterey, we're about to meet up with a bunch of supercars. It's about to be a lit drive. Let's just hope we don't get pulled over, huh? I hope not. I heard there's a lot of cops, but it's gonna be lit, so let's go. 4 hours left, bro. I hope this R8 makes it too, by the way, guys. It is twin turbo. We already did one road trip to Utah, if you guys remember that. Los Angeles to Utah, that was a mission.
How long was that drive?
Bro, I think that one was further. That might have been like 8 hours, no? It was bad, but the car made it smooth. It did go in limp mode once or twice, but let's hope this makes it this time. There are so many YouTubers right now in Monterey. We're about to link up with every single one of you guys' favorite YouTubers. It's gonna be so sick. I'm so excited, bro. I could not wait for this week. I'm so glad we got the R8 finished in time too. Shout out to everybody who showed love on the new wrap. The people that don't like the sand black and said it's too basic. What color is your R8, brother? I think it's sick. I know it's not a huge change, but it looks so fire and it looks so mean. You guys gotta see it in person. Yeah, he's for sure coming for me, huh? Don't pull me over, please. All right, I'm checking the location. They should be pulling up any second. Let's see. Oh, I see him, look at it. Perfect time. I knew these guys were gonna be smashing. Oh, shoot. It's a wagon. the NA.
That sounds pretty. That shit has my ear ringing like.
Alright, we pulled over real quick just to regroup. I think there's a couple cars behind us and there's another group in front of us, so I don't know. This is the squad, I guess. 2 GT3 RSs, some BMWs, some AMGs, and a lot of R8s. It's like 4 R8s, huh? 3 R8s. I'm the best.
You're finally with your kind, bro.
Oh, BMW! You know I got smoked by one of those before? Those 135i's?
Wow, that was the M1.
Or it could have been an M1.
That's
more
an
rare,
M1,
right?
Yeah, super rare.
But I got smoked by a 135 once. Bad in my GTR, bro. I was like,
That's
damn.
why you sold it?
I thought I was like gonna win. I'm like, bro, I'm a GTR, why not? And then I raced him and then I got smoked. Alright, we made it to Monterey. That was a long drive, but look, there's already crazy cars, bro. And we just got into the city. 5 more minutes left, Jacob, I'm sorry. Jacob's so uncomfortable with this car, guys. It's way too small for this long ass road trip. But we made it! Is it worth it now?
No. Do not come to Monterey ever in your life, guys.
We're about to get to the Airbnb, get the car fully detailed because there's a bunch of dead bugs everywhere. Monterey Car Week is literally a Forza lobby, guys. I know I say it all the time, it's a Forza lobby, but this week is literally a Forza lobby, bro. All the roads are just full of supercars. As you guys can see, it was a 812, right?
Yes,
random.
sir.
Hopped on the freeway. Not a good daily on gas. My other daily's even worse, the TRX. Whoa, look, it's your car.
Alright, now can we go home?
What is that?
That's
Cessa Alimento? How much is that?
more than you could afford, pal.
Is it even road legal?
That one is. He converted me.
You guys can see the caliber of cars here. That was probably the rarest car at Car Week.
Chilling? I'll get a picture of you.
Yeah, do it, bro. Should we do it in front of the R8?
Yeah.
Fire. Nice to meet you guys, bro. How much gas do you think we'll spend this trip?
We're so far 1 full tank in, right?
Yes.
This is tank number 2.
We're about 200 and something down.
214 in.
By the time we're home, I'm gonna say like $700.
That's crazy.
You can't see it, but there's 2 McLarens right there. I'm telling you, it's a freaking Forza lobby. If you guys have never been here before, just look, bro. Like literally, like you saw 5 minutes into Monterey, we seen the Sesto Elemento. You know Forza, bro. Like when you see the random cars in the server, that's how this is. Even the roads look like Forza.
They do.
Oh shoot, Luke calling it. This is insane.
Yeah, it's a vibe out here.
It is. The McLaren, you're right.
Right. Wow.
La Ferrari, bro. Don't want to hit his car. Damn, bro, look at the whips. Brett shipped it all the way from Miami, bro. That shit looks sick, all color match on. Like everything is
Paint
Nardo.
match is a very nice touch.
You got Jake's McLaren that you guys have seen. And then Ron just painted. It's that new peel clear, so it's like paint, but you can pull it off. But he just did this new color. This color is nice. It's like gold. Damn, this color is actually sick. That paint match is crazy too. Cream on cream. Fuck with your R8, bro. That's okay as fuck. This is literally like the craziest hotel in Monterey. Everybody comes and parks their $10 million cars, bro. They won't even park my car here. What's up? Yeah, let's do it. Thank you, bro. Let me take a picture, bro. You guys. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. Yeah. Hey, let me get sick. Dang, you guys are all car spotting on. Yeah. Fire, bro. Appreciate you guys.
Can I get one?
No. Look at Austin's Bugatti. Guys, this is what selling $1 million Valvetronic exhaust gets you. Isn't that crazy, bro? All from selling exhaust, dude. You know what's even more crazy is like I remember meeting Austin about 5 years ago. All it took was 5 years for him to get that car, by the way. But 5 years ago, I met Austin. He was like, yo, I'm creating an E92 M3 exhaust. Do you want to put on your E92? That was when it was Tiffany blue, and that's what started the whole Valtronic. And now look at 5 years later, he has a freaking Bugatti. It's not his only car. He bought a CGT too.
Where's your Bugatti?
I don't know.
You have to
Me and
say
Austin
5
went
years.
different paths. I should have went to the exhaust. I should have stopped YouTube right away. Look at this, a Sion?
Yeah. How you know that?
Because I like Lamborghinis, bro. If you test me on Lambos, I know that.
What's this? What's
I
this
don't know what
Lambo?
it's called, but it's like the first Lambo.
No, it's not the first, bro.
It looks like it.
Come on, bro. Bro, you just named this.
Agera.
Yeah.
Isn't this like the $300,000 Mustang?
Yeah, the GTD.
Bro, why would you buy this for 300K? Oh my God, there's more hypercars. So that's 10 mil.
Yeah.
And how much is this?
Not that much. I mean, it's still a
Who
fucking
said not
lot.
that much?
Well, compared to this one.
Just look at the caliber of cars here, guys. This is not normal, bro. This is the only place you would see stuff like this is Carwood. Bro, how much do you think that's gonna cost?
I think it's gonna cost you your R8.
100%, bro. Look at the bumpers. Good. This is not a regular Bugatti, right, Sharon?
No, this is a super sport. And this is 101 in the world. This has diamonds in the paint.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Real diamonds or fake?
Real diamonds.
Moissanite?
Like
Moissanite
your-
in my paint?
Like your chain does?
Now we made it to 17-mile drive. This place also is a 6-spot to car spot. I think Ron's here. M3, M2,
What's up with all the BMWs?
all BMW.
Do you feel at home?
And they're kicking everyone out. What's up? What are the cops saying, bro?
He don't care how car your low is, it's gonna get impounded. He's gonna tow you even if your car's low. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even think my car can make it on a tow truck.
He'll trust me, they'll find a way. Don't rip your bumper off. I'm getting nervous.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. What's up? Yeah, let's do it. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, too. He seems cool. I think they're closing down the beach. As soon as we got here, bro.
Bro, it smells here.
Told you. So, guys,
Oh
this
my
place, there's like a bunch
gosh.
of, it's called Bird Rock. I don't know if those are birds or sea lions or something, but it stinks, bro. Smells disgusting. I told you.
Bro, this is for real nasty.
It's
bro.
literally the nastiest smell I've ever smelled in my life.
This is disgusting. The view is beautiful, but guys,
It's bad, right? Bro,
I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, I don't know how people kick it.
I told Jacob, wait till we get there, bro. You're gonna smell. What's up? Bro, there's a lot of you guys here that support me and watch my videos, bro. This is insane. I feel like every 5 seconds I find one of you guys. Full carbon McLaren, bro. It's an all carbon wide body McLaren, bro. He just built it. What the? What's up, buddy? Should we take one? This shit's running bad.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.